How to use UpCounsel corporate legal services properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most entrepreneurs assume that hiring lawyers on UpCounsel is as simple as clicking hire, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that cost time, money, and even legal compliance. The first mistake is not clearly defining your legal needs. UpCounsel offers services ranging from contract drafting to corporate governance, but beginners who post vague requests may receive proposals from attorneys who aren't the right fit. Always outline your requirements, deadlines, and industry specifics. Another common error is ignoring attorney profiles. UpCounsel shows experience, past cases, reviews, and rates. Beginners who skip these details risk hiring someone without the expertise needed for your industry or jurisdiction. Many users fail to communicate expectations upfront. Clear communication about milestones, deliverables, and hourly versus fixed fees prevents misunderstandings and surprises. Beginners who overlook this often face delays or unexpected costs. Skipping proposals comparison is another pitfall. UpCounsel allows multiple attorneys to submit bids. Beginners who choose the first offer without reviewing experience, terms, and rates may settle for lower quality or higher risk. Finally, some assume UpCounsel handles all legal strategy. While the platform connects you to experienced attorneys, it's your responsibility to review, advise, confirm compliance, and make informed decisions. Beginners who delegate everything without oversight can face legal gaps or non-compliance. To use UpCounsel properly, define your legal needs clearly, review attorney profiles thoroughly, communicate expectations upfront, compare proposals carefully, and actively participate in your legal strategy. Avoid these mistakes, and you get professional guidance efficiently, saving both time and money while protecting your business.